Lily never planned to buy a new house, but an unusually cheap rural farmhouse listing caught her attention. She placed a low bid during the online auction and unexpectedly won. When she arrived, the house was old but charming, until she discovered the attic door was locked. That night, strange creaks and shifting sounds echoed above her. Dust fell from the ceiling, convincing her someone or something was moving in the attic. Determined to uncover the truth, she broke the lock and climbed the deteriorating stairs. What she found was shocking. A full miniature house built inside the attic, complete with a porch and rooms. Old photos, letters, and footprints hinted at someone living there recently. Inside a bedroom, Lily discovered disturbing notes about watching the attic door at night and hiding behind a marked number 2. When a floorboard creaked behind her, she turned to find a closet labeled with a number. Inside, a pair of frightened eyes stared back. Lily prepared to defend herself until a frail woman slowly emerged and pleaded for understanding. The woman, Rosemary, revealed she once owned the house. The attic structure had been built by her father as a secret retreat where he lived for 15 years. After he died, Rosemary stayed there to feel close to him. As she aged and grew weaker, she couldn't maintain the property or leave the attic easily. Forced to sell the house, she had nowhere else to go and hid when Lily arrived. Moved by her story, Lily allowed Rosemary to stay and helped her transition into a room downstairs, forming an unexpected bond. Lily cared for Rosemary until her health declined and she eventually passed away. Lily buried her near the willow tree where Rosemary's father had left a time capsule. She continued to live in the farmhouse, keeping the attic house intact and telling visitors the real story, not one of fear, but of connection. At night, when she heard faint footsteps from above, they no longer frightened her. Instead, they reminded her of the quiet companionship the house had brought into her life.